Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Bricks Builder is a popular WordPress page builder that allows you to create responsive websites visually. When working with Bricks, optimizing asset loading, specifically CSS and JavaScript, is crucial for improving site performance and user experience. This tutorial will cover several techniques to optimize asset loading in Bricks 1.3.4. Why optimize asset loading? Optimizing asset loading helps in 1. Improving page load times. Faster load times lead to lower bounce rates and better user engagement. 2. Enhancing SEO. Search engines favor fast-loading websites, which can positively impact your rankings. 3. Reducing server load. Fewer requests can reduce the load on your server. Techniques for asset loading optimization. Here are some techniques you can use to optimize CSS and JS loading in Bricks. 1. Minification. Reduce the size of your CSS and JavaScript files by removing unnecessary characters. 2. Combining files. Reduce the number of requests by combining multiple CSS or JS files into one. 3. Defer and async loading. Load JavaScript files asynchronously to prevent blocking the rendering of the page. 4. Conditional loading. Load assets only on pages where they are needed. 5. Using a CDN. Serve your assets from a content delivery network, CDN, for faster delivery. Example code for optimization. 1. Minification and combining assets. You can use plugins like AutoOptimize or WP Rocket to handle minification and combining of CSS and JS files automatically. However, if you prefer custom control, you can manually enqueue and optimize your scripts. 2. Defer and async loading. You can add the defer or async attributes to your JavaScript files to optimize loading. 3. Conditional loading. Load specific assets only on certain pages or conditions. 4. Using a CDN. To serve your assets from a CDN, you can modify the URLs in your WP_enqueue_style and WP_enqueue_script functions. Conclusion. By following these techniques, you can significantly improve the performance of your Bricks-based website. Make sure to test your site after implementing these changes to ensure everything functions correctly. Additionally, keep monitoring your website's performance using tools like Google Page Speed Insights or JIT metrics to assess the effectiveness of your optimizations. Further reading. Bricks Builder documentation, https://bricksbuilder.io/docs. WP Rocket documentation, https://wp-rocket.me. AutoOptimize plugin, https://wordpress.org/plugin/autoptimize. With these practices, you should be able to create a faster and more efficient website using Bricks Builder.